So here we've got a 2018 to 20 Ford F-150. We've got the Diode SS3 fog lights installed, along with the Morimoto 2-stroke 3.0 H11 and 9005. Just want to show you how this looks. So these 2-strokes really do a great job at keeping the beam pattern nice and tight. They're well focused. They mimic the original beam pattern really well of the halogen bulb. We've got those installed in the high beams and the low beams. And again, Diode SS3 on the fog lights. Those SS3s come in the Pro, the Max, as well as the Sport. This is the Sport version. So it's extremely good for the price point. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Check them out on the website. We'll leave some links. And installation time on this, pretty straightforward. It's about an hour and change, even if it's your first time. So let us know if you have any questions.